Carbonara is traditionally made with eggs, cured pork, Parmesan cheese, garlic, and freshly ground pepper. In the Philippines, we've adapted it to our own taste using bacon, mushrooms, and a rich creamy sauce that's both comforting and satisfying. Today we're making our favorite carbonara quickly and easily in one pot. There's no need to boil pasta separately as it cooks in the sauce, soaking up all the creamy flavors. It's a simple dish for busy weeknights, but still fancy enough to serve on holidays and special occasions. First, prepare the mushrooms and then the bacon by slicing them into bite-sized pieces. In a large pan, cook the bacon until crispy and has rendered fat. Remove the bacon from the pan and set aside. If it becomes too oily, drain some of the fat except for about 2 tablespoons. In the same pan, add the mushrooms and cook until they begin to sweat. Then add the onions and saute until translucent. Stir in the garlic and cook until aromatic. Pour in milk and water and add butter. Boost the savory taste with Maggi chicken cube. Season with salt and pepper. Simmer until heated and the butter is melted. Do not bring the milk to a boil or it might curdle or separate. Use a wide pan wide enough to fit the pasta. If using a smaller pot, break the pasta in half so they're easier to stir. You can use linguine, spaghetti, or fettuccine. Place the pasta in a crisscross pattern so they don't clump together and gently press down into the liquid. Don't stir at this point so the fettuccine doesn't break. Cook very briefly just until slightly softened and then gently move it around to separate. Continue cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the pasta is al dente and the liquid is reduced. Be sure to stir every couple of minutes to prevent sticking. When the pasta is al dente, add the Nestle all-purpose cream to enhance richness. Toss gently until everything is coated in the silky sauce and continue to simmer until heated through. Add the Parmesan cheese and continue cooking until the sauce begins to thicken. Add the crisp bacon and stir to distribute. This one-pot pasta carbonara is easy to make and absolutely delicious with a smoky, creamy flavor. Garnish with more crisp bacon and Parmesan cheese and enjoy!